we're getting to know, according to sources, that the Delhi police has said that nearly 300 cops were injured in yesterday's violence. SIT that has also been formed to probe yesterday's series of events, where we are looking at almost at the entire Delhi borders there, and how the route was completely changed by the agitating farmer unions bringing in tractors, and there the visuals that can be seen of yesterday's horror, especially when it comes to the police officials who had nothing but their lathis to defend themselves. And at this point, we're getting to know, as the numbers have steadily increased, it was yesterday being said around 80 of them had been injured. Now the number has gone up significantly high. Around 300 of them, we're getting to know, have been injured in yesterday's violence. Several pictures that came in from different parts of the national capital, where Delhi police officials who were being hounded, who were being followed, and who were also beaten up by some anti-social elements too. Let me go across to Anuj there, who is giving us an update, because even the media personnel... All right, I believe Atul is with us. I beg your pardon there. Atul, even the media personnel were not spared yesterday. The Delhi police was also not spared yesterday. We are getting to know that the number has gone up significantly. Yesterday, around 80 of them. We are getting to know that 300 of them have been injured in yesterday's violence.
Well, definitely the number has gone up, and Delhi police has confirmed to Republic that 300 cops are injured, and more than 300 will be when the actual counting will be done. And what we are getting to know is more than 30 FIRs have been lodged by the Delhi police, and SIT has been formed by the crime branch of the Delhi police, as well as Special Cell is also looking into the matter. Many more teams have been roped into all these things to look into the matter. And whatever the situation is, the Delhi police is, observing each and everything, and they are giving each and everything to the city. They're also, making a report of all whatever happening today and whatever happened yesterday, so that they could come to a conclusion to decide their future course of action. And as of now, the Delhi police is going to address, media at around 12 o'clock. The Special CP Jitendra Pathak will be briefing media regarding the 10 situations, and they will be telling what the action is, being taken by the cops. Back to you.
All right. So be it at the Delhi borders, be it within the Delhi periphery as well, when we were looking at yesterday's violence, Atul, we are getting to know that the SIT that has also been formed now. Any update on many of the condition of the police personnel? Because we are getting to know that some of them were still grievously injured, especially when they were trying to be run over by certain tractors.
Well, SHO Mohan Garden was severely injured when he was trying to pacify the rioters. And what we are getting to know that his both hands were broken by the protesters. And apart from him, there was, personal security officers who was attached with the DCP Central, and he was also attacked with a sword by the protesters. So these two cops are battling for their lives in the hospitals, and many more are also battling for their lives. But we don't know their names. As of now, the Delhi police has confirmed that SHO Mohan Garden and the personal security officers who was attached in the security of DCP Central, they are both battling for their life.